Natalie, Disney on Ice was lovely for the children yesterday. Ooh, Marala was deep in onze zakken. Natalie was happy until she had to pay for that popcorn. Natalie wou 3 popcorns koop. My vrou sê vir haar sonder om te shrivel op te shake. 750. 250 rand. 1 popcorn. Listen, but the show was amazing. But the popcorn for 250? Oh no, Natalie. Oh no, I saw your mood change. It was happy geweest. Huh? You were in the Disney vibe until they said 250 a popcorn. You know that 250 a pop is more expensive than a whole ticket to my show. Then it's like he wants a bubble machine.
Listen, all I can say is that they knew what they were doing.
Okay, I
They knew
bubble.
exactly what they were doing. Because now you walk past those stalls, and how are you supposed to say no when there's lines and lines and lines of parents paying and buying things for the kids? How are you bringing your kids to a Disney show? How are you supposed to say no to them?
Listen, when he said he wanted the bubble machine to feed, the bubble machine is a down payment op 'n kyk jy's 'n deposit op 'n I-1000. Ek sien dat die kapitein kaarte loop deur.
Jy wou net mense se fone gaan aftik.
Piep, poep, piep, piep. En die gesiggies is bitter. En een man sê vir my, Alfred, don't go there to the bubble section. Hoe dit neek daar. Toe sê ek is klaar ou broer. Ek het hom klaar gesit op 6 months toe pay. Dit neek. What was the other thing? They wondered when he asked for, oh, can I please, Daddy, can I have the mask with a candy floss? He said, no, that man is too far. I can't get to him. He's out of range. But the show was very nice, eh, Natalie?